Welcome back to another daily LeetCode breakdown. Today we are looking at the problem called weighted word mapping. Here is the problem page. It is a little bit wordy, so let us break down exactly what it is asking for. We need to convert a list of words into a single continuous string of letters based on a special mathematical rule. We are given a list of words and a separate list containing 26 weights, which correspond to each letter in the alphabet from A to Z. First, for every single word, we need to find its total weight by looking up the weight of each individual character and adding them all together. Next, we take that total combined weight and apply a modulo of 26 to it, which shrinks our number down to a value between 0 and 25. Finally, we use that modulo result to pick a single letter using reverse alphabetical order, meaning 0 becomes Z, 1 becomes Y, and so on. If you have any questions about these rules or anything at all, drop them in the comments right now and I will get back to you. Let us quickly walk through the very first example, starting with the word A, B, C, D. Using the provided weights array from the example, the sum for those 4 letters comes out to exactly 34. We take that 34 and find its remainder when divided by 26, which gives us an 8. Counting backwards 8 spots from Z in the alphabet lands us perfectly on the letter R. As always, we will start with the Python logic, but I have the full C++, Java, and JavaScript solutions at the very end of the video. The best approach for this problem is pure simulation, which means we just write code that directly executes the logic we just talked about. The only slightly tricky part is the reverse mapping, but mathematically, we can do this easily by just subtracting our sum from the character Z. Let us look at the code piece by piece, starting by setting up an empty list to store our final mapped letters. We loop over every word in our list and initialize a variable called S to keep track of our running total weight, starting at 0. We then loop through each character, convert it to a 0-based index by subtracting the value of mice, and add the corresponding weight to our total. Once we have the full word's weight, we apply the modulo 26, subtract it from the value of Z, convert it back to a character, and add it to our answers list. Finally, we just join our list of individual letters together into one continuous string and return it. Here is what that entire function looks like all put together. You might wonder about edge cases like massive letter weights or weights of exactly 0, but our total sum and modulo operations naturally handle all of these safely. For the time complexity, it is big O of n, where n is the total number of characters across all words, because we visit each character exactly once. The space complexity is order 1, or constant space, because aside from our final string, we only use a few tiny numeric variables. As promised, here are the other languages. You can copy-paste all of these from the link in the description so you do not have to pause and type. Here is the exact same logic written entirely in Java using a string builder. Next up, here is the C++ version, taking advantage of standard string appending. And lastly, here is the solution in JavaScript, using character codes directly. The key takeaways from this problem are using ASCII math to map letters to arrays, and using modulo arithmetic to easily wrap around cycles like the alphabet. Before you go, I want to quickly address the channel updates. You probably noticed the AI narration and this faster-paced presentation format. I built this system so I could generate clear, instant explanations the moment a daily problem drops to help myself learn faster, and I hope it helps you too. Please let me know in the comments if you prefer this snappy format, and feel free to leave any other feedback or questions about the code. If you want to help support the channel, you can donate at the link on screen. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Keep coding, and I will catch you in the next one.